woman, yeah. That's nasty.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Good morning. I'm rushing. I'm not ready. Okay. It is, what is today? It is Saturday morning. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Miss Jackson. Thank you for watching my channel. Can't see your face. Stop it. We are on our way to my son's last basketball game.
It ain't gonna go good.
Okay, so after my son's game, we're gonna stop by my co-worker's house because she's having a baby shower today. I'm just gonna drop off the gift. And then we will be heading down below. My daughter is aiming for a beach day, but I don't know how the weather is looking down there. So if it's not a beach day, then I have just alternate spontaneous plans just so she can go enjoy her Saturday. So we're gonna go to this game and I'll catch up with you guys later. We're at the promenade in Santa Monica Pier, Santa Monica Beach, whatever. I'm looking for a bathroom. The bathroom is literally around the corner for the ladies. Anyway, fun so far. Yay. This is the outfit for the day. Just black biker shorts, white flip flops, over white shirt. Trying to be the Little Mermaid, her dreads. Morning. It's Sunday morning. I'm breaking out. It's nasty. It's about 6:45 Sunday morning. Kids are still asleep. Slept really hard last night. It was a great time at the beach yesterday. The weather was perfect. It wasn't crowded. Traffic was light. Got back home in an hour. Yeah, yesterday was really good. The food we ate, we went to, she wanted chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings. So I looked up just in Santa Monica, a local chicken wing spot, and it was basically like an authentic Italian place. I had a stromboli calzone. The kids had barbecue wings, but my daughter shared my calzone. It was so good, and the fries were good. Like, everything was just fresh and authentic tasting. So I love going down below, eating little mom and pop random hole in the walls, as opposed to the normal, restaurants, because it's authentic tasting. It was so good. So that was a win. Yesterday was a win. I actually laid on the beach, touched the water. It was great. So part 1 of 3 for her birthday is down. Now it's Sunday. Now it's the whole Alice in Wonderland themed brunch we're going to get ready for. I'm going to start what's that? Excuse my room, but that box right there is all of the knickknacks I have to get ready for the party. I'm going to start that in a little bit, wake her up to get her helping me. And I just pray that the day goes smooth. When I say smooth, I pray it's Sunday morning. I pray there's no traffic heading down. Heading down, there shouldn't be any traffic, but hitting Hollywood, getting off the freeway, trying to get to the restaurant, that might be traffic. I'm aiming for 12 o'clock. The party starts at 12:30. I can't pick up my cake until 10:15. So I'm praying that get everything ready, swoop up the cake, hit that freeway 10:15, 10:30. Get there by 11:30, 11:45, hopefully right at 12 o'clock. Because I want to be there before anyone else arrives. I want to put the cake in the restaurant's refrigerator. And then go in the patio area and start decorating before 12. I don't want to have people come at 12:30 and I'm still decorating the area. That looks tacky. But anyway, if it gets late, it gets late. We black people, it's common. That's a racist thing to say, but not a lot of black people is on time. I'm sorry, it's the truth. But yeah, so I'm aiming for 12 o'clock. Party starts at 12:30. I got some bags under my eyes. I'm sleeping good though. I'm knocked out last night. Like the second. I don't normally, when I lay down, I don't sleep right away. It takes about 30 minutes for me to fall asleep. I'm laying there thinking and my brain won't shut up. But last night, once I hit the pillow, it was yeah. So I'm gonna fix my face here. See, this is from all the product I put on, and then sunscreen, and then just baking out in the sun. So that little beauty is gonna go away. It's just one. At least it's not a bunch I'm breaking out with. I had a little bit of breakout here. For the most part, my skin does feel tighter, looks tighter, feels firmer, not as loose and wrinkly. So the texture of it, since I've been doing my technique, is great. It does look slimmer since I've been doing my technique. My daughter, my son concurs that yes, my face looks slimmer. Jaw areas, cheek area, eye right here, like all of that, just those little poofy areas where the water or the extra fat might just be lifting or staying, is thinner. Y'all remember that movie? Thinner. Okay, anyway, so but yeah, I had bumps here yesterday. They're flat. See, this was it goes down and then it pops up, and this is just something to bust, so that's not going to stay all day. That's just an oil bump. That's nothing. The actual pimples that came up is gone. I think it's right. Yeah, it's right there. It's getting flatter. So anyway, like I said, I'm about to sit down and get this together. I'm gonna make me some coffee. I'm so glad I did all my grocery shopping yesterday because there's no time. The main thing that I am looking for now is Vegas, is the bed, the pool, and good eats. My daughter wants to eat at Nacho Daddy. We ate out there last time and she loved it. So we're gonna go to Nacho Daddy, and I'm laughing, it's an inside joke. But yeah, I'm mainly looking forward to that bed and that pool. I'm gonna work out there. Y'all know when I go to a hotel, I'm gonna work out. So I haven't worked out yet. Menstrual cycle been stopped about 4 days now, and I ain't worked out because I've been busy with all this. But my body is all right. It ain't bad. But I will get back on the workout. Don't trip. I know it's June 1st. I know it's the beginning of June. I know we got plans. But yeah, I told y'all after this birthday hoopla, I'm gonna be on it. My body is gonna look a little bit different come July. You gonna see. Anyway, so let me stop playing. Let me go get some coffee and get this enchanted Wonderland, whatever, started. Okay, so I got my dress out. I got, my daughter's dress out. My son's outfit out. Everything needed for the party is in this bag and ready to go. All the little party bags I made. I have my accessories out. I was going to do just my natural nails and dots of red to match the red dress, but I don't have time. Because I could do gel nails, which dry really easy, but I don't like putting gel polish in that light, what's it called? The LED light, whatever. It's not even an LED light. It's the light that dries the gel polish. I forgot the name right now. I don't like putting that on my bare nails. It actually burns me a little bit, so I only like putting it on when I have acrylic. I don't have acrylic right now. So I'm not going to do the gel paint, which would dry very fast and be set all day. So I was going to do nail polish, but polish on me does not dry fast enough, and I just have no time for it to dry, basically. I should have did it last night, but like I said, I crashed. So I'm just going to put a coat of the Seche Vite dry top, which is just like a gloss, but it dries fast. It dries fast on purpose as a top coat. So just my nails can be a little shiny, but y'all that know me know this ain't me.
Years later.
So I'm back home, makeup off, clothes changed, gifts and food put away. Right now we are just resting, relaxing from the whole rush of the morning, and in a little bit here we're just gonna start packing for Vegas. Why do I do this to myself? Why do I plan all this shit when I just want to lay here in my bed all the time? Because I don't want to be a lazy person. I like to go out and do things. It's fun. It's just maybe next time I do it one thing at a time instead of back to back to back to back to back to back. And tomorrow is Vegas, and I'm driving. Crazy woman. Yeah, that's what I said. I told the kids I'm not doing this no more. My son's gonna turn 16, and then there's no more birthdays. After 16, there's no more birthdays. It's your birthday? Getting old. I'm not doing no more parties. So my son's gonna turn 16, and I'm done. I'm gonna turn 40, do something for me. Turn 50, do something for me. But everything in between, I'm straight about to go to sleep. That's how tired I am. All right.
All aboard!
We are in the car with our coffee. Ooh, ready to go. Anyway, our first stop in Vegas is Meow Wolf Museum because we can't check into the hotel until later. So I will catch up with you guys during a rest stop or food break or something. Bizarro experiences he goes through and shit, the weirdest shit. That's what this is. That's not accessible? Are you kidding me? What the heck? We just went behind a meat market. This is This might be a trap from Percy Jackson. It might be 6 hours later. This story show, like I said, it's just like Cursed Carly Dog. If you watch that show, he goes through the weirdest experiences. In my hair. Mom, did you go? Yes. Morning. It's Wednesday morning. Just finished working out, as you saw. That was so hard to do because I haven't worked out in like 2 weeks or just under 2 weeks, but I got it in. Before I left, I got to sit and do my reset for June. So like I said before, week 1, of course, is going to get interrupted with my diet and the goals I'm trying to set for because my daughter's birthday, but it's over now. I'm glad I got to work out, so I'm going to log that in for week 2. Sorry, it's a mess right now. Hair is a mess, needs to come down. Hair appointment this Saturday because yuck. That'll be in another vlog though. So let me make sure gas, food, saving. The finances part is good. Week 1, I did not read a book. I did not meditate. I did not run. I did not do a workout. I ate carbs. The cheat day was the whole time. Should I log that in? It was what? Saturday and Sunday cheat day. I'm gonna log in the cheat day because Saturday and Sunday with her, I was eating. So I didn't even eat a lot though. Whatever I ordered from the restaurant or whatever we ate, I split half of it. Honestly, my stomach is not that good, which is good. My stomach size is small, so even if I'm ordering a huge, I couldn't finish it. My daughter had to help me finish it. So I'm gonna go into body and cheat day. I'm gonna put an X for Saturday and Sunday. Boop, boop. So Saturday and Sunday I had cheat days. And that's including this Monday and Tuesday because this is the second week of June, right? Right? Yeah. No? I'm tripping. We're still in the first week. Wait, I'm confused because June started on a Thursday. I don't know. I'm just going to count the 1st and 2nd and 3rd, which is literally the first week of June. It's only a half a week. I'm going to count that as the first week. So I'm going to go back up to the first week and count that Monday and Tuesday. I'm just gonna put the date. This would be June 5th, 6, 5. Because remember, I did this whole planner thing myself, so I have to graph it myself. 6, 5, cheat day. Then I'm gonna put. So now it's looking like that. So this represents Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then Monday, Tuesday, because we're still in this first week of June. This week of June ends on the 10th, Saturday the 10th. So I'm going to stick to this first week because, yeah, I'm just going to put the dates on it, but whatever. So I did just work out this morning, so I'm going to go here. Today is Wednesday. Let's put the dates here. Wednesday, I'm going to put 6, 7, X, which is a workout. And I don't want to update right now. So that was today's workout, AM workout. I'm going to try not to eat carbs. I'm trying to have less of this. You see that? This marks the cheat days. So this was vacation. I'm not going to have any more cheat days for the rest of the month. Maybe. Doubt it. But at least I got to work out. And I want my workouts to increase, my run to increase, but that to decrease. My soul. I haven't done any Bible study yet and no Bible reading. Good for humanity. I put that in there just to, just something good for humanity. Whether I give a homeless guy money, I just put an X. I'm not putting the value of what I'm doing. But anything like that, that's just, just good and no benefit to me is what I'll put here for good for humanity. No meditation. I didn't get a library book. I have not done art. I was going to do art with my kids. So that's something I'm going to do with them. But yeah. I'm sorry that whole segment was boring. I'm just talking my way through what I'm doing because if I don't, I'll just sit on this bed in the morning and do nothing. And I don't like that. I love being productive. So that's our logged in. I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Save. Yeah, yesterday when I came home, I literally just organized some clothes a little bit, unpacked a little bit, and laid in bed. I didn't even really sleep. I just laid in bed because that drive takes a lot out of you. Face is still feeling tight. I haven't used the collagen oil or done any gashawing, but that other day vitamin C serum is keeping it tight. I don't have any breakouts as much sun and water and suntan lotion I've been using. I don't have any. I have like one. I don't even know where it's at. I had it yesterday and I don't feel it. So for the most part, skin is bad lighting, but skin is skinning, I guess. It's not bad considering me being in the sunlight, the beach, and then Vegas, sun. Like, it's good. So I know the quickest way for me to get things back on track is one, ask my God for help. Right now I'm listening to Grace for Purpose for the morning word. That's not a part of my tablet because this is my normal duty. It's nothing to keep track of because I do it every morning anyway. So you put my God first. Thank him for the safe trip. Thank you for this trip being just peaceful and smooth and needed. But yeah, the kids are home now. I'm the only one going to work, so I have ample time in the morning. The goal for the next month or so, well, the next 2 weeks actually, no. Well, yeah, the next month is to stay on top of my routines. Stay on top of my workouts, the way I eat, my dedication to what I want to read and learn. Me and my significant have not a bet, but we both want to learn a different language. So we're both on Japanese, trying to learn Japanese right now. And I'm trying to beat him at it because he learns languages very quickly, where I need a lot of practice. So I should add that to my monthly reset. Have I studied my Japanese? Anyway, but honestly, the next month is, I'm going to call it a grinding month because I'm just going to be on my grind with work and staying on my routines, getting my body back ready for summer, and getting my money back right from this little hoopla that just happened. So I am going to sit and enjoy my coffee and listen to the word on TV. And I will catch up with you guys after work. Good morning. It's Thursday morning, my favorite day. Just a quick update because I didn't have much to vlog. My son played basketball last night. It was his championship game. Of course, they lost, but he did get a trophy. I'm not really doing a lot of makeup, and I'm still doing the face care, but not like makeup and all that I normally do in the morning, because I'm considering this weekend a whole makeover. I think I already said it yesterday. It's a lot, yeah. Since I'm doing all that this weekend, pampering myself, if you will, I'm not doing a lot for this Thursday and Friday going to work. I'm just going to work. So basically, starting next Monday, I can cut out a lot more carbs, and minimize or strategically eat what I want as far as like salads and stuff, because I have more time to meal prep. What's I gonna say? Yeah, so it's Thursday. It's my favorite day. Hopefully I see my baby today. Yeah, I'm looking at you. I think you guys, because you got a Benz, you the shit. Y'all forgive me. Anyway, you guys have a lovely day. Say a prayer for your girl. Nothing's wrong. I'm just lazy trying to get back on track, but I'm excited to get back on track because, like I said, I like laying things out. I like planning things out. After her birthday, it's a whole new organized way I'm moving and getting things back on track and above and beyond. So yeah, life is good right now. But but I will thank my God.